So let's say I have a bunch of graphics. Let me just go around and bring in random graphics right here. Let's say, for example, this graphics right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold Alt right here and click and drag these graphics out just like this. So I'm just going to go around and change out the color for this, and I'm going to go ahead and change out the color for this and change out the color for this as well. So let's say now what I want to do is I want to use clipping mask so that I can only see, let's say, certain section right here of this particular graphics. So to do that, I'm going to go around and take a shape. Let's say, for example, I can take any shape right here, like elliptical tool, that I can use as a clipping mask. So the object that you want to use as clipping mask, you always need to go ahead and keep it on the top. Once that is done, you can simply go ahead and right click, and then you can see that create clipping mask is an option. Click on it, and then you can see that this is what you have. The layer beneath it is under the clipping mask. But the other layers right here are not in clipping mask. So let me just go ahead and press Ctrl Z right here so that I get the clipping mask out right here just like this. And now what I'm going to do is select out all of these layers right here and then right click and group them out together. And now I'm going to go ahead and keep the shape on the top. So now I'm going to go ahead and right click and create clipping mask. And now you can see that this group is now under a clipping mask. So whatever layer is beneath that particular shape will be used for clipping mask right there. And now, even if it is in clipping mask, you can see that you can go ahead and click and drag out these shapes as you want. You can go ahead and resize it out, drag it out right here, and this is what you have. You can go ahead right here, this is the clipping mask as you can see, and you can even go ahead and select out this particular shape and then go ahead and move it wherever you like. If you want to go ahead and release out the clipping mask so that it is as it is in the beginning, then you can simply go ahead and right click, and then you can click on release right here, and this gets converted into a regular shape, and then you get the clipping mask right here just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the clipping mask inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.